Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time on here, my name is Emmanuela Okon and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a review on this 10-minute smile brand. It's like, I think it's like a dental brand. So they reached out to me and I have never tried out this item, guys, and I have never like watched a review on the item. So this is going to be like the first time for me, and you're going to like get to know how this turns out like in real time, so that you guys see if this is worth buying or spending your money on and stuff like that. So let's get right into this video, and if you aren't subscribed to my channel, do not forget to click the subscribe button down below. And yeah, so let's get right into trying this. Okay, so this is the packaging right here, and it also says at the back the benefits of using this. It says sodium bicarbonate, natural whitening elements. So I guess the ingredients used to like make this product are natural ingredients. It's a source of vitamins A, D, E, essential vitamins for healthy gums and teeth, calcium, essential mineral for strong teeth, coconut oil, natural whitening element, aloe vera, and green tea. So this is what is inside. We are about to unbox this, so let's go. Oh, it comes with like another like layer, so I have to like cut this out, and I'm using my teeth. Okay, let's go. So the contents of this case includes a LED light, nourishing and whitening gels, mouth tray, results charts, and instructional manual. So I have never done this before, and I have never watched a video to know how to use this item. So this is going to be my first time using the item, guys. As you guys can see, this is what I am seeing from my side. So I'm just taking this. This was inside the pack. And this has all the steps, which I'm going to be doing for you guys in the video. So obviously I've brushed my teeth today, so that's step one apparently. Gently clean teeth by brushing with toothpaste. Take the battery out of the LED light, remove plastic, and insert battery to turn on. So I'm taking out the battery. I believe it's from this. So this is it. Hope you guys can see. Okay. So open is this way. So I'm supposed to take out the battery of the LED light, remove plastic. Oh, okay. So this is the back, and this is the case for it. So I'm taking out. Oh, it comes with two batteries. So I'm taking out the battery, and we have to remove the plastic. So this is the plastic that's inside. So I'm just going to put the battery back. 1, 2, because it came with 2. And then I am going to put this back, which is like the cover for it, and lock it. So it says in here, it says open lock. I don't know if you guys can see, but it says open and lock. So to lock, I'll turn it this way. Hmm. Told you guys that this was my first time. But I'm just trying to lock it, lock it. So it says in here, it says open lock. I don't know if you guys can see, but it says open and lock. So to lock, I'll turn it this way. Told you guys that this was my first time. But I'm just trying to lock it, Okay, I think I wasn't putting it properly. Well, yeah, this is what happened. Can you imagine? Okay, so this light thingy comes on. Simply attach the mouth tray. So the mouth tray is inside. So this is the mouth tray, and this is where I got this one. Okay, simply attach the mouth tray. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm guessing it's like this, and we just put this. It has this kind of rubber band material, so I'm just putting it here because it's shaped the same way as the, what's it called? What do you call this thing? As the thing. I don't know what it's called. Don't even say what it's called. So bring that here. I feel like I didn't put this thing well, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to. Okay, I think it's fine. So step 4, apply 1/4 of gel to inside wall of the top of tray. Okay, just wanted to make sure this was intact, and you can see like their company logo here. So apply 1/4 of gel to inside wall of top tray. I don't know where that's supposed to be. Maybe it means here. So I'm just going to get, oh, these are the gels. Wait, I don't want this thing to fall off. So these are the gels. These are the gels. So I'm taking one of this. Ooh, I'm scared. Okay, anyway, this is the gel. So apply 1/4 of gel to inside wall of the top tray where the face of your top front teeth are touching. Repeat the same procedure for the bottom of the tray. Maybe that's where my mouth is. Oh, for the top. Oh, okay, so the top and the bottom here. So is this open? Oh, I have to open it. Duh. So it was like this, and I open it like that. It has a minty this thing. I don't want to finish everything. So I put this, what I put inside. It's inside. That liquid, that's what I put inside. And like I'm just spreading it. Then I'm going to cover it back and keep it. So relax and let the whitening and nourishing process begin. Oh, I'm going to do both of them at the same time. So top and the lower one. Oh shit, it was facing the wrong way. think it was facing the wrong way. Anyways, I've put it here as well. And I put it under. Oh, I was just putting it under, so it's still correct. So hmm. Oh, ew. Okay, guys, as you can see, I have taken the stuff out from my teeth. The gel has this kind of like minty feel or minty like flavor per se. I've used it. I'm coming closer now. It's not focused. Okay, I don't know why my camera is not focusing, but yeah, that's my teeth. And like the thing is, I'm not that kind of person that actually goes for like a dentist checkup and stuff like that. But I've gone before, but like I'm not someone that goes all the time. So I'm just going to keep on using this product to see the changes. So I think I'll do maybe like a month kind of review, like an updated one, so that you guys see how it works and everything. So after that step, after like putting the stuff in my mouth, because I have to wait for 10 minutes, and how you know it's 10 minutes is that light thing is going to like make a sound, and it's going to like the LED light is going to like stop showing. If you noticed in the video, you would have heard that. And then I rinsed my mouth with warm water to like remove residue and stuff like that, anything that like might be stuck in my mouth. And it says smile, which is what I'm doing right now. So for tips, they recommended some things that would be good in order to like get like good results and everything. So it says daily use is recommended for best results. So today is Monday, June 24th. So I'm probably going to use it for this whole week and see how it goes. And before you use this, you are meant to brush your teeth. So it doesn't mean like because you have this you don't brush. You have to still brush your teeth. And then limit the intake of dark colored food and beverages such as red wine, coffee and tea before and after application. So before I did this, I had a smoothie. It's not like, it doesn't like prevent me from having like the result I want, so that's not included. So just stay away from things such as like red wine, coffee, tea, and any like food that will probably like stain your teeth and like ruin the process of everything. Apply pressure to the mouthpiece while whitening. So that's what I did. So I pushed it in. That's what I did. Imagine this is just to balance the thing in your mouth. So I've even forgotten where I kept the thing. Anyways, yes, this is just to guard the thing in order for it to stay put in your mouth. Because I've always wondered like, why do you have to like use, is it this excuse me, is it this big thing that is going to help like whiten your teeth, but like you are placing the guard on top of it to help, if that makes sense. So I'm going to keep you guys posted And oh, this also came on the back of the thing. I didn't even know. Use 10 minutes span results at 10 minutes span to share your before and after someone for a chance to win your free. Ooh, and it shows you this. So like how effective the product is from day 1 to day 6. Jesus. How can somebody still feel like this? But anyways, yeah. Packaging is very, very nice, to be honest. Very visually appealing and everything. So I'm going to keep you guys posted. I just wanted to share with you guys like this new product because I've never used it before, and I just wanted to show you guys how it feels like to use it for the first time. I would say it's very, very beginner friendly and everything. So yeah, I hope this thing is going to work. So I'll probably make another video. Let me know if you guys want to like know like the updates, like should I like continue documenting it so that you can purchase it. And also I have a 10% off discount code if you'd like to try the product. I'm going to just leave it on the screen right down below here so that you guys can shop. It's ellahh 10, ELLA then 10 to get 10% off their product. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It was very, very exciting and interesting to like try out something I've never used before, like in front of the camera, for you guys to see like what I went through while getting to use it. I would say it's not hard, very beginner friendly. All the instructions come in this thing, so it should be very, very easy to like assemble. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye guys, love you, till next time.